Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for the gold. As I promised today in the live stream, we're gonna come back today for an intraday video because yeah, it's very interesting to see what's going on. And as expected, I mentioned today we're gonna see higher prices a little bit for the gold toward the 1.618, and then we might start to see, of course, lower prices again. And this is exactly what happened so far, and probably that we might have finished here can be, of course, a wave 3, right? And that because you might be in a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, right? So now the scenario that we have, of course, whether we are, of course, impulsive or we are still corrective in an extended wave C towards the upside. And that means, of course, in this case, we have to figure it out whether we're gonna get a corrective wave, 3 waves here, or we're gonna get an impulse, right? Very simple. If we get impulsive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, therefore you might seek, of course, for something for lower continuation, of course, for this trend where you have already 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and you might have here kind of like ABC corrective and then moving toward the downside. However, because we reach so far this high price or high fib level, which is the 1.618, and we start here kind of like impulsive. I would say it's an impulse of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 4 not interfering with the zone 1, meaning it is a very clear wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, in case that we have topped here, but a little bit I doubt it, because here in this wave where you have potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 3, so you might have here like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is like double 1, 2, and then you're having like kind of like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then of course one more for 5 because you have double. So I would say double 1, 2 here. You have even double 1, 2 inside the wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave 3, and 4, 5, 4, 5. So basically, yeah, very choppy one and very, of course, complicated, but it still, of course, can be a finished wave 3 here. So I would say the targets for a wave 5, in case we are corrective here and we're moving for a wave 4, after a wave 5, you're looking for the following targets. So I'm gonna look right now. After, of course, reaching this blue box, I would say it's time to remove it. Just keep at the 1.618, right? And I think that I would like to see right now this price between, of course, 0.23 and the 0.38 to see, of course, a wave 4 here unfolding, and then wave 5 potentially towards the upside. If that happens, guys, if that happens, therefore we have to start to think, of course, about something bullish here, all right? Something bullish might be unfolding towards the upside. We're gonna see this, how it's gonna work. However, in case that this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm just start to think, because you didn't took the low, and if you are moving bullish, yeah, we have to reconsider this as a 1, 2, probably as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what I don't like it is that it looks like here, of course, diagonal. That is an impulse, but this is a zigzag kind of, yeah. We're gonna have to reconsider, but yeah, let's make sure first that we are bullish, right? So we would like to see, of course, a 4 and a 5 to finish 5 ways up, therefore 3 ways down, taking the high to confirm 100% almost that we are bullish. Of course, we still need to test later on the 1 to 1 fib level here, right, as a zigzag. If overshooted, therefore we can call a wave 3 continuation for new highs and new all-time high for the gold. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.